Guys, Gunner Gamer Entertainer coming back to you again live. And we got a nice special unboxing here for something from Severin. And we're going to get right up in here to it. So welcome to the channel, guys. Let's get it. Yeah, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and also please subscribe. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I've been kind of collecting, some Severin box sets over the past couple of years. This one just came out in March. And so yes, we got another one of an actor I really always liked, so let's get into it. Yeah. Straight from Severin, just got it in. So let's crack it up. Yeah, I have this on pre-order, so very excited about that. Yeah, and there it is, kind of peeking out there. You got packing peanuts. And there it is. The massive. And of course you get your inner vision and your Severin sticker. I seem to get the red one a lot. But anyway, the main event, as it were. The Eurocrypt of Christopher Lee collection. So yeah, they released this. It looks like a very nice box set. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of done in the same style as the Liz Baker, with the kind of pull off the top kind of action. But yeah, this looks pretty awesome. It includes so it's 9 discs. A box, and a book set. So 8 Blu-rays and a CD. So it does come with a CD as well. But yeah, well, I'm gonna have Cy read off the information. So let me switch things over for us so we can get to that. Yeah, guys. So now we're gonna have Cy read off the information of the stuff in this box set. I can't show the box set on here because it's green, so it gets blanked out, you know what I mean? So let's get into it. Take it away, Sai.
The Eurocrypt of Christopher Lee collection. He remains one of the most beloved horror/fantasy icons in US/UK pop culture history. But Christopher Lee delivered several of the most compelling, acclaimed and bizarre performances of his entire career in 1960s Europe. The Eurocrypt of Christopher Lee brings together 5 of these Lee classics: the 1964 Gothic shocker Crypt of the Vampire, the 1964 cult hit Castle of the Living Dead co-starring an unknown Donald Sutherland, 1962's celebrated Sherlock Holmes and the Deadly Necklace, 1967's lurid favorite The Torture Chamber of Dr. Sadism, and the Relics 1963 oddity Challenge the Devil, with the 24 surviving episodes of the 1971 film Polski anthology series Theatre Macabre hosted by Lee, all remastered from original negative materials with over 10 hours of trailers, rare promos, audio commentaries and vintage interviews, plus the Castle of the Living Dead soundtrack and an all-new 88-page book by Lee biographer Jonathan Rigby. Disc 1, The Castle of the Living Dead, 1964. In the final film of his early 60s European period, Christopher Lee stars as a 19th century count who invites a theatrical troupe for a weekend of horrors that boasts an enthusiastically creepy performance by Lee, startling locations in Lazio, Italy's Orsino di Scalchi Castle and Park of the Monsters, second unit direction by Michael Reeves, Witchfinder General, and the screen debut of Donald Sutherland as both a doofus gendarme and a hunchbacked hag. Philippe Leroy, the night porter, and Jacques Stanny, Violence in a Women's Prison, co-star in this 1964 French-Italian co-production from American producer Paul Maslensky, who would go on to produce Deathline and the Police Academy movies, and fellow expat writer/director Warren Kiefer, after whom Sutherland would name his son, now scanned in 4K from the Italian negative for the first time ever. Disc specs. Runtime, 90 minutes. Audio, English mono/closed captions. Region free. Aspect ratio, 1.661. Special features. Audio commentary with Mondo Digital's Nathaniel Thompson and film writer Troy Howarth. Audio commentary with film writer Kat Ellinger. From the Castle to the Academy interview with master producer Paul Maslensky. The Castle of the Mystery Man Roberto Curti, author of Mavericks of Italian Cinema, on writer/director Warren Kiefer. CD soundtrack. Disc 2, Challenge the Devil aka Katarsis, 1963. In the most obscure film of his early 60s Italian period, if not his entire career, Christopher Lee stars in this brilliantly bizarre combination of neorealist crime thriller, tawdry Christian melodrama, fizzy cabaret musical and trippy gothic horror, culminating in a gang of bongo-crazed delinquents menaced by a white-haired Lee as a sinister Victorian who may be Satan himself. George Ardison, Hercules in the Haunted World, stars in this staggering 1963 oddity that marked the sole screen credit of writer/director Giuseppe Vegesi, who attempted suicide shortly before its release. Also known as Katarsis and little seen for over 50 years, it is now scanned in 2K from the Italian negative for the first time ever. Disc specs. Runtime, 79 minutes. Audio, Italian mono/English subtitles and closed captions. Region free. Aspect ratio, 1.661. Special features. Dance with the Devil interview with Roberto Curti, author of Mavericks of Italian Cinema. The Importance of Being Giorgio interview with Giorgio Ardison over 2 decades. Trailer. Disc 3, Crypt of the Vampire, 1964. In a lavish gothic shocker inspired by Sheridan Le Fanu's immortal novella Carmilla, Christopher Lee delivers a rare hero turn as nobleman Count Karnstein, whose foreboding castle teems with ancestral curses, unnatural desires, philosophical hunchbacks and grisly acts of vengeance. Adriana Ambisi, Fangs of the Living Dead, co-stars in this 1964 Spanish-Italian co-production also known as Terror in the Crypt and Crypt of Horror, directed by Camillo Mastrosink, An Angel for Satan, as Thomas Miller and Robert Spafford, from a screenplay by Giallo master Ernesto Gastaldi, All the Colors of the Dark, as Julian Berry and Sergio Leone protege Tonino Valero 2, My Name is Nobody, as Robert Burra, now featuring a 2K scan from a fine-grain 35mm master print. Disc specs. Runtime, 85 minutes. Audio, English and Italian mono/closed captions. Region. Aspect ratio, 1.851. Special features. Trailer. Disc 4, Sherlock Holmes and the Deadly Necklace, 1962. Shortly after their hit collaboration on The Hound of the Baskervilles, Christopher Lee and director Terence Fisher, Horror of Dracula, returned to Holmes for Lee's sole feature film portrayal of the world's greatest detective. Shot in Berlin with Hammer regular Thorley Walters as Dr. Watson, Lee considered it to be one of the best things I've ever done because I tried to play Holmes really as he was written, as a very intolerant, argumentative, difficult man. Santa Berger, When Women Had Tails, and Ivan Desny, The Marriage of Maria Braun, co-star in this 1962 West German-French-Italian co-production produced by Arthur Brauner, Vampire Oselspose, from a screenplay by Kurt Schudmark, The Wolf Man, and based on Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's Valley of Fear, now scanned in 2K from the German negative. Disc specs. Runtime, 86 minutes. Audio, English and German mono/English subtitles on German, closed captions on English. Region free. Aspect ratio, 1.661. Special features. Audio commentary with film writers Kim Newman and Barry Forshaw. Discs 5 and 6, Theatre Macabre, 1971 to 1972. Christopher Lee hosted this anthology television series originally produced by Film Polski, Knife in the Water, The Tin Drum, in the tradition of Alfred Hitchcock Presents and Boris Karloff's thriller. Lee delivers the intro and outro for each half hour at his imposing and often cheeky best, while the tales themselves adapted from stories by Poe, Dostoevsky, Ambrose Bierce, Robert Louis Stevenson and Oscar Wilde are written and / or directed by filmmakers that include Andrzej Zielorski, Possession, and Academy Award-registered trademark symbol winner Andrzej Wajda, Man of Iron. Dubbed into English and featuring additional dialogue by Jesse Lasky Jr., The Ten Commandments, 7 Women from Hell, with new theme music by Ron Goodwin, Village of the Damned, Frenzy. It has remained largely unseen since its brief airing on American TV in 1971. These 24 surviving episodes have now been scanned in 2K from the original negatives. Disc specs. Runtime, 610 minutes. Audio, English mono / closed captions. Region free. Aspect ratio, 1.331. Special features. Promo with Christopher Lee. Disc 7, The Torture Chamber of Dr. Sadism, 1967. Christopher Lee stars as Count Regular, an insane nobleman found guilty of murdering a dozen virgins and drawn and quartered for his crimes. But when a lawyer for Tarzan Lex Barker is summoned to the Count's castle 35 years later, he will unlock a wildly entertaining, Buried.com, odyssey of torture, dismemberment and creepy Bavarian locations that is equal parts Mario Bava and Hieronymus Bosch. Karen Dorr, You Only Live Twice, and Dieter Epler, Slaughter of the Vampires, co-star in this 1967 underrated gem, The Telltale Mind, also known as Castle of the Walking Dead, Blood of the Virgins and the Blood Demon, directed by Crimi veteran Harold Rien and loosely based on Post the Pit and the Pendulum, now scanned in 4K from the original German negative with all new special features. Disc specs. Runtime, 84 minutes. Audio, English and German mono / closed captions. Region free. Aspect ratio, 1.851. Special features. Audio commentary by Mondo Digital's Nathaniel Thompson and film writer Troy Howarth. Audio interview with actress Karen Dorr, German with English subs. Location featured. Theatrical trailer, German. Teaser trailer. Deutschlandgengrube die Burg des Grauens German Super 8 Digest Short. Deutschlandgengrube des Grafen Dracula German Super 8 Digest Short. Poster gallery. Behind the scenes still gallery. Restoration slideshow. Disc 8, Relics from the Crypt. A collection of interviews with Christopher Lee over the years and other related horror features, including the first ever release of the recently unearthed 20-minute 1964 Swiss TV documentary Horror, featuring interviews with Lee, Boris Karloff, Vincent Price, Roy Ashton, Roger Corman and behind-the-scenes footage of the Gorgon and Mask of the Red Death. Horror. 1964 Swiss documentary short by Pierre Korolnik featuring interviews with Christopher Lee, Boris Karloff, Vincent Price, Roger Corman and Roy Ashton, 16 minutes French with English subtitles. Behind the Mask Christopher Lee remembers Boris Karloff. New edit of unfinished 1991 documentary by Ian Ruff, 34 minutes. Cinecope 1976 Belgian TV interview with Selim Sasson, 52 minutes French with English subtitles. Colin Grimshaw interviews Christopher Lee in 1975, 16 minutes. 1985 audio interview with Christopher Lee, accompanied by stills from the Del Valle archive and video introduction with David Del Valle, 20 minutes. Monsters and Vampires interview with pioneering horror movie historian Alan Frank, 15 minutes. The Crypt Keeper's making of Crypt of the Vampire featured with screenwriter Ernesto Gastaldi, assistant director Tonino Vallaratu and film historian Fabio Milelli, 34 minutes Italian with English subtitles. O Soul Mio / It's Now or Never, 3:45, and She'll Fall For Me, 4:35, Christopher Lee and Gary Curtis music videos with optional Gary Curtis audio commentary. Outtakes from To the Devil. a daughter/Theater of Death 2001 DVD interview session covering the most frightening films ever, Black Masses, Police Academy 7 and more, 19 minutes. University College Dublin 2011 Q&A with Sir Christopher Lee.
Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, pretty awesome there. And thank you, Si. And yeah, so yeah, I had pre-ordered this, and as you can see, so it's still available, of course, on Severin's website there. So yeah, came out May 25th. I had pre-ordered it way back. They did have, there's a trailer here too if you want to check that out. Pretty interesting. So they said unknown actor Donald Sutherland. Always thought it was funny when they would have an actor in a movie or something, and it was kind of before he was known, and then he got to be known later. Very interesting. Yeah, they got some other stuff coming out here. They did have a limited box set. I could have got this $168. I didn't really feel to spend that much for this. Out of everything that was extra, I might have liked the poster, the books, whatever, the pens, whatever. But the movies was most important to me, so that's what I went for. No big deal there. But yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah, very, very happy about that. Very happy about getting this. So yeah, it's a good stack of movies. So they kind of have that one. This one. Oh no, it's in this one. So there is a 8th disc there. They have it in here with that one. So that's got like a bunch of interviews and stuff like that on it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Very happy to get this and everything. But yeah, let's get back to the unboxing here. So snapping back. All right. So now we're back. We're gonna complete the unboxing now. So let's see if I can do the split edge. Yeah. The split edge works sometimes. So yeah, as I said, so yeah, I think it's 8 movies in here. Yeah, so it's 9 discs and a book set. So I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 movies, and one's a TV series at least. I'm dumb. Featuring 5 classic European films, and his Polish. So that was Polish TV anthology series. And it comes with a bonus disc of rare interviews plus a photo packet, book and sound track CD. So, but yeah, I'm gonna give you all a good look here. There we go. The other side. The back side. From Dracula to Jedi Master. Bond villain to a metal god. Christopher Lee's 70-year career was rich, vital, and often pretty weird. Yeah. So yeah, Christopher Lee. So yeah, he played in a lot of stuff. All the way from Star Wars to very good box too. One of my favorites of all time, the Lord of the Rings. So yeah, it comes with this this booklet here. Yeah. So yeah, they you know, I like the way they do their box sets, generally speaking. For the Severin. So yeah, here we go. So we got the first movie here. So this would be cool to check out. Castle of the Living Dead. The classic black case. And yeah, Severin went over the stuff. So I'm just kind of showing you it. So there's the disc there. Spin it up a little there. Right there. And there's a little card here. So this is the soundtrack for that one. Okay. Pretty cool. So we got that one. And then we got Christopher Lee Challenge the Devil. Relics from the Crypt. Okay, that might be a second name for it or something. So I guess that's the second disc on this one. Cool. So pretty cool. We have some zoom ins too. And then we got the Crypt of the Vampire. So this one you just get the Blu-ray disc there. There's no reversible cover arts on these, but that's fine because it's not a huge thing. And then we got Sherlock Holmes and the Deadly Necklace. And then we got the anthology series, Christopher Lee Presents Theater McBride. So it looks pretty cool, looks pretty interesting to check out. Definitely look forward to checking this out. And I'll let you know my thoughts on the channel. So disc 1, disc 2 of that. And then the Christopher Lee Torture of Dr. Sadism. And a Blu-ray disc there. Yeah, I think I showed you. Yeah, okay. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's a very nice box. the bottom of the box if you're just interested in seeing it. Yeah, there you go. And the booklet. There. And the top. Yeah. So there it is, guys. The Eurocrypt of Christopher Lee collection. Pretty sweet collection. Like I said, I really like Christopher Lee in a lot of things. Pretty iconic actor, very unique voice, I always thought. Very intelligent man. But yeah, so there you go, guys. Severin's the Eurocrypt of Christopher Lee. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and everything, and look for more videos to come. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed, and please consider subscribing to my channel for all your movie information needs. Great unboxings like this, and movie reviews and game reviews, and also gameplay. So yeah, pretty cool. Hope you all enjoyed. And so yeah, building up on Severin stuff. And there you go, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Catch y'all later. Gunner Gamer out.